Good morning all. Welcome to physics class. Myself Mamta. Today I am going to speak on the topic thermodynamics in the diesel engine and diesel cycle. Diesel engine is an internal combustion engine where the fuel is burnt inside the engine and heat is absorbed by the engine itself at constant pressure. So diesel engine consists of a cylinder provided with airtight piston having three valves: air inlet valve, oil spray valve and exhaust valve. These valves open and closes at proper times at suitable mechanism. In this, engine only acts as a working substance and as a perfect gas. Here, air is made to enter the cylinder first and then compressed adiabatically. So this diesel engine is a 4-stroke engine having charging stroke, compression stroke, working stroke and exhaust stroke. So in charging stroke, the inlet valve opens and pure air at atmospheric pressure enters into the cylinder. During this stroke, the piston moves in the forward direction or moves down. In compression stroke, during this stroke, the inlet valve also closes and the piston moves up. The air in the cylinder undergoes compression adiabatically to a high pressure, resulting in increase of temperature around up to 1000 degrees Celsius. Next, working stroke. In this stroke, the oil valve opens and oil is sprayed into the cylinder under pressure. On account of high pressure in the temperature, the oil burns simultaneously. In this process, the burning fuel supplies heat to air at constant pressure and temperature, where it rises around up to 2000 Kelvin and the supply of oil is cut off. At this stage, the air undergoes expansion at a constant pressure. As a result, the piston is pushed down and shaft rotates. Hence, there is a work done by an engine. And the last stroke is the exhaust stroke. During this stroke, the exhaust valve opens, the piston moves up and burnt and unburnt mixture are thrown out from the cylinder to the atmosphere. After this stroke, the fresh air enters, new cycle starts again and the process continues. So this is the diesel engine cycle indicated in the PV diagram. So the PV diagram represents the 4-stroke operations of diesel engine. From the indicator diagram, E2A represents charging stroke. Here the air enters the cylinder and volume changes from V2 to V1. A to B represents the compression stroke where air is compressed adiabatically. Here volume changes from V1 to V2 and temperature from T1 to T2. Here the temperature increases almost up to 1000 degrees Celsius. The pressure increases to about 40 atmosphere. So then from the indicator diagram, that is from B to C, represents the burning stage where the oil is sprayed into the cylinder, resulting in the burning of oil immediately. Due to this, the temperature changes from T2 to T3 and volume changes from V2 to V3 at constant pressure. Next, from C to D, the curve C to D represents the working stroke. Here the mixture expands adiabatically. The temperature changes from T3 to T4 and volume changes from V3 to V1. Also pressure decreases during this stroke. And next, the curve D to A represents isochoric process. At this stage, exhaust valve opens, resulting in the decrease of pressure and temperature. And at last, the curve A to E represents the exhaust stroke. The burnt and the remaining or unburnt vapors in the cylinder are exhausted out of the cylinder. As a result, the engine comes to its initial stage and it is ready for the next cycle, and this process continues. Thank you.